everybody. Oh my goodness, I have no idea why I start my vlogs from this spot all the time. I think it's because I have a better light here. So I decided to vlog today. Since I'm making videos 4 times a week now, I thought to myself, what a better a chance to incorporate, my personal life into one of those days. 4 times a week, 4 days a week. Why not go ahead and watch my personal life at least, once a week? I will be posting vlogs once a week on Sundays, but then the rest 3 videos that I will be making is gonna be all about the products, about skincare products, beauty products, oh my goodness, whatever that you wish. I'd like to give you guys a little show to the balcony that we have in this apartment. That's not a perfect balcony, but hey, the view in my opinion is perfect. So why not go ahead and watch it with me? Let's go out. And by the way, there's a little wasp house over there. It feels so good in the morning, especially when the sun rises. The sun usually rises from that side where the ocean is. Can you guys see we have the ocean on the right side, and we do have the mountains on the left side. And if you get a little bit step out, you get to see the whole valley, And can you guys see that little spot over there in the middle? That's the Eo Valley that we usually go to with my husband. The view is always breathtaking here in the morning times. By the way, there's a little coconut tree as well. We have... Alright guys, I'm gonna take you guys along to my day and see what are we gonna accomplish today, because I have a lot of things to do. Chore of the day. We're gonna have to do some laundry. I have to deal with all these coins, actually the quarters, to be able to do the laundry in this apartment. So other than the laundry, we have a plan. I like to know how to clean the leather. Do you guys have any idea? I have no idea, so I have to look it up today. I have to clean my leather bags and wallets, so this is gonna be another chore. These 2 are waiting for me. That's what we got, everyone. We have to get it done. And we have time travel, guys. Yes, this is the 2nd day of me vlogging, and I am in my filming spot. I am filming in my filming spot. So yesterday I could not get the chance to film that much because I literally had a breakdown yesterday. Oh my goodness, I had a rough night. I don't know, like lately I have been experiencing a lot of mood swings. I don't know if it's the right word to say what I want to say, but it is like, maybe it's because the time of the month is very close. Sometimes I do feel very energized, very uplifted. It's like just okay, ready to go, let's get things done. And then all of a sudden and I just feel so down and I have no idea why. I don't know, but that was a crazy night yesterday. Oh my goodness, I even had to cry a couple of times yesterday. Oh my goodness. And my husband was like, oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway, I think we all experience crazy moments like that once in a while. And unfortunately it happens a lot to women, I have to admit that. This is the 2nd day. We are having a good day so far. I woke up good. I know after a rough night, I woke up with a pretty positive attitude. I deep cleaned my house. I took a shower. As you guys can see, this literally is my natural hair. How I wish that I had the straight and silky smooth hair just like other Asians. Yesterday I mentioned that I wanted to do the laundry. I did it. I had to do some laundry. I had to clean some of my husband's clothes because since he is a chef, he does not wear one clothes several times. He has to wear new clothes every single day because he sweats. He cannot wear one thing twice, if it makes any sense. I also mentioned yesterday that I wanted to clean the leather. I looked up some things, some videos, how I can clean the leather. So there are some suggestions that I found on YouTube, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick to the safe option and then just clean with a regular cloth towel or paper towel to just kind of get the dust off of my leather bags and wallet. So I have to take care of them, if I don't, because some of them cost too much. So anyway, let's go ahead and clean the leathers. Alright guys, I have one wallet to clean today and also one purse on the side. This is from Ralph Lauren. I have a wet paper towel now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the inside. And by the way, if you guys don't have any suggestion about cleaning the leather, please leave it in the comment below, because I really need some suggestion. Like, I have never had to bother about cleaning a leather, purses or bags before, because I was not a fan of leather. But slowly I realized that it's important to buy good quality things. Yes, if you do know anything about cleaning leather, just leave it in the comment below. I would really appreciate it. As I was talking to you guys, my husband literally gave me a call and he started calling me crazy because of yesterday. And in the meantime, as I was talking to my husband, I literally finished cleaning my bags. Oh my goodness. And I cleaned this wallet as well. I can actually tell the difference. The cards are in the wallet and the wallet is ready to go. Back to the comfy spot. So I like to share with you guys, I am filming with my phone. Maybe that's why you do realize that the quality of the video is not as good as the ones that I usually make, So it's because my camera is huge. Oh my goodness, my hand literally hurt carrying that camera if I carry it too long. So bear with me guys until I get a chance. I'm gonna keep filming with my phone, my vlogs. Yesterday I was thinking, you know what, maybe I should not pause the vlogs because there is nothing that's too interesting. But then I realized, like, I love watching vlogs. I love watching my favorite YouTubers, their personal life, what they do, just the regular and simple things. And then somehow they inspire me to do those things as well, like cleaning the house or, going to the grocery shopping. I think when you watch those videos, you do get a different perspective about people's, life and what they do on a regular basis. The main reason that I started making, vlogs now is because you guys know sharing is very therapeutic. You do feel better if you do share. There's a chance for me to share, and I like sharing. I love making videos and I love sharing what's going on in my life as well. So in case if there are people who are interested about my life, so maybe they're gonna get some inspiration out of it, just like I do from other YouTubers. So anyway, and yeah, the vlogs might be a little bit longer than my regular, 7-minute, 5-minute videos. So hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. These nails are so in need of manicure. I think I'm gonna end up doing my nails tonight. Oh my goodness, look at that. This one also chipped a little bit as well. That is crazy. These are getting so long. And also to give you guys an update, oh my goodness, we're almost there to reach my first 1,000 subscribers. Looking back all of my videos that I have made, like, I have seen how far I have come so far. All right guys, let's do our nails now. Good morning everyone. Oh my goodness, this is actually afternoon time now. I just finished filming for you guys. I am sweating. I really am sweating because I have to turn off my fan when I am filming because I don't want the noise to bother the microphone. I literally have to change my outfit right now because this t-shirt right here is not cotton and it's not breathable, so I have to change my outfit as well. Something that I have to show you guys, I am loving my makeup today. I love how it turned out. I literally used marula oil before putting on my makeup and it literally changed my makeup just like that. And I was like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna start doing it every single time I put on makeup now. I have to do the dishes, but before doing the dishes, I really have to feed myself because I'm so hungry. Alright guys, this is what we're having for lunch today. 2 pieces of brown bread. I'm eating my leftover pasta that I cooked yesterday, and I also cooked sunny side up eggs as well. I know it's not perfect, but hey, it's delicious. And I also added my sour cream as well. Of course, you guys know I love sour cream. Done with the lunch. I feel extremely sleepy right now because I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So, and you know, when you eat something, for some reason you feel so relaxed and you feel sleepy. I think your metabolism will be busy to digesting your food, and then it kind of takes up all of your energy, if it makes any sense. So alright guys, I think I'm gonna take a nap, and I'm gonna finish the vlog here because I don't want my vlogs to be too long, because who has time to watch too long videos? But hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me in the comment below if you have enjoyed it, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe guys if you like the vlogs like that, and also if you're into skincare and beauty as well, hopefully you're gonna like the channel. Alright guys, you guys have a great day, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.